In this recording, sibhekene nama potential energy graphs. But you consider the potential energy graph for the reaction shown below. On the y-axis, the potential energy course of reaction on the x-axis. Bese bathi the activation energy for the forward reaction in terms of PQR. PQR is A all the way up to D. But first, I study shele graphly. There are different parts of the graph. P, which is the lowest energy level, R, which is the highest energy level compared to P, and then Q, which is the highest of all the energy levels. So these are the three parts of the graph, right? So lama points three on this graph asinikeza information, but sizowa explore in a moment. Another thing engifuna siyicheck la sikhumbuzana ukuthi yini activation energy konje. Activation energy, it's the energy required by a chemical reaction. It's the energy required to kickstart or start a chemical reaction, right? Or motivate or ignite a chemical reaction. That's a activation energy, right? But lana sifuna the activation energy according to the graph for the forward reaction in terms of PQR. Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Is it D? U-A nyam eliminate masinyana. Why? Ngoba u-Q is not the activation energy, but it's something we call the activation complex or the activated complex. Angisayikhumbuli kahle, but it's somewhere between activation complex and the activated complex. Q, the highest point, it's not the activation energy. How about B? RP. RP, so it's the distance or the energy difference between R no P. Konje siyibizani this value between nangithola the difference between R no P, ngithola something called the enthalpy, change in energy, enthalpy. So this is not the activation energy, out. B siyam eliminate. How about QR? QR, it's the distance or the energy difference between Q no R. It's this energy difference, EQ minus ER. This is all okay. Lena activation energy, but it's not the activation energy for the forward reaction, but instead it's the energy for the reverse reaction. According to a potential energy graph, activation energy, it's the energy difference between your starting point and the activated complex or the activation complex. So for the forward reaction, it's Q P. For the reverse reaction, it's R what? Q. It's R Q. So answer yethu la kuyoba D. Usinyam eliminator, it's the activation energy now, but for the reverse reaction, and then D is the activation energy for the forward reaction. So our answer is D. It's QP. So yeah. Video yethu iphelela lana guys. In the description box uzothola links for other recordings. If we enjoy, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ungakhohlwa ukushare, ungakhohlwa ukulike. That's the only way to support this channel. So yeah, for now, let's go on the next video. Bye bye.